you what Command Central looks like around here. It's a conglomeration of a bunch of technology, and to edit and things like that. There's the big screen that shows the editing software, so I can see it from across the room and stuff like that. But it's not a bad situation, really. Just a few pieces of equipment thrown together, plugged into each other, and do all kinds of weird stuff. Probably pretty typical. Yeah, you got to have the instructions there on top on the iPad, so you can look stuff up quickly, and just makes it pretty cool. All this is done on a MacBook Air M1 chip, which is far more qualified than I am to do all this stuff. You can put your applications up there, either Final Cut Pro or iMovie, and switch back and forth as needed. It's really a pretty nice setup when you get to looking at it. Of course, the problem is when you're an old guy like me, you get latched into all this. I just set the keyboard or the computer on my pillow on my lap, plug in lots of multiple different things to the C port on the MacBook Air. Pretty cute stuff. I thought you guys would kind of want to see what kind of equipment I use. I use Apple everything. Even this keyboard that you're looking at there is a very old white full keyboard that has never not worked on any Mac I ever put it on, because it's Mac, gives you a couple of USB ports, and you can do mouse, whatever. I got a wireless mouse there in case I actually need to do mouse, which is a rarity. But I thought you'd want a picture of what happens behind the scenes here at an old man in a Honda. Anyway, okay. We would really appreciate a like and subscribe, or support the channel in any way you want to. Maybe even a $2 tank of gas for the Honda. Thank you. We'll see you next time.